Hello and welcome to another video of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm going to talk about RaysX, which is a Dex-driven application for building protocols. So building a lower barrier to entry for easy decentralized application creation and monetization. So there are key challenges right now in the market: having a transparent rating of projects, developer empowerment, and also engaging mechanics for the games. So I'll go quickly through the pitch decks. It's basically redefining a DEX or decentralized exchange with advanced on-chain analytics and integration of Web3 applications. As I said, it addresses three key concerns in the market. And the key technology behind it is a marketplace and mini decentralized application marketplace, which helps you with advanced analytics, universal application for platform for the RaysX protocol, and then gamified incentives as well that gives you the engage to earn an NFT upgrade. The main concept is the elements of the token. So basically, this is the RaysX decentralized application marketplace, and this is the protocol. So the protocol receives developers and external decentralized application developers to do the deployment using RaysX platform, and the income for the developer comes through that back to them, whether it's RaysX token or stablecoin or Ethereum. And they put the RaysX marketplace for the applications. Users who use the DEX will integrate and interact with the DEX terminal for RaysX. And then they also have the NFT component. And this is the cycle basically that they take some fee as a commission, protocol fee, and then connect the users to the developers. So the use case is for DeFi enthusiasts, for leverage trading. Individual traders get access to a suite of trading tools, providing data-driven analytics and helping developers to bring their projects to connect to the users. And it has 4 layers of architecture. So it has the from higher level is the user level. So they interact with the DEX terminal and API and Web3 trade and end component. Core level 3 is basically ranking and algorithms for developers. Aggregator is the data scoring, and then the source level is data provision and data source. So they basically empower decentralized applications. Now moving into the token is called RaysX, and the utility for it is trade and earn, transaction fees, as I said in the layers. So the user layer is trade and earn. The level 3, which is the core layer, is a transaction fee. DApp subscription for aggregator. Source is the deployment of application. So at each layer, there is a utility for the token to be used. So platform integrity will be for the governance mechanism of the token, monetization of the developers, converting the C apps to the dApps, centralized application to decentralized application, and earn money from RaysX. And obviously the user incentivization for using the protocol. Again, that's how the tokenomics is used. The governance for emergency pools, staking, buyback, burn, rewards when they vote. Developers get the fees, API usage, and subscription. Users get the investors, so the NFTs, API usage, subscription, and then also rewards for referral, staking, and that sort of thing. That's the sort of ecosystem for the token. Revenue stream is a lot of revenue stream, but basically uh, dividend pools when people do staking, emergency pools, burning, DAO rewards, referral, buybacks, the platform fees for protocol when the people use the protocol and the dApps are deployed, transaction trading fees, and resale of NFTs. And then the burning of the token occurs from the trade to earn, upgrading NFTs, power of DAO, weight of the vote, external dApps, and then exclusive analytics for the token. The ecosystem for RaysX creates the platform not only for using the application, but also for the NFT component and the parts that I've already covered. It's compared to other tools like Dex tools, Dex Guru, and Arcan, and the better advantages that they have a protocol for converting the centralized to decentralized application for developers, marketplace for dApps, trade and earn, and then the traffic will be something in the future, but yeah, better metrics analytics. Token metrics, RaysX is the token, Ethereum, Binance Chain both. Total supply is going to be 2.5 billion. Valuation is $10 million for IDO or public round. 50% of the pool is for the community. 20% of the token is for the sale. That's half a million, half a billion token. Total raise will be 1.4 million. Initial market cap will be 275,000, and token price at the listing will be at 0.04, so almost half a cent basically. In terms of the token distribution, the seed round is 5%, and the seed round price was 0.02, so half of the price of public, and half of the price of public, and also the listing price. 10% TG, 6 months cliff, and then 12 months linear unlock, so long cliff. Private community sale, so as a community member on their website, they did a community sale, round 1 and 2, 5% each round, and round 1 was 25, and round 2 was 3. And obviously similar vesting, 10%, 10%, and then 12 months, total 15 months. Then they had a pre-sale round for community, which is at 0.035, 10% TGE, and then 3 months cliff, and the 6 month unlock. Then they have a IDO round, so that's the one they have on also on the Spores. So this is the round that they've got. Just making sure the tokenomics is covering the latest one. Yeah. So this is the latest one. I don't want to go through the pitch deck to be unfair. So the seed sale is what I've mentioned already at half the price. And then they have the private sale at 0.025 and 0.03. Pre-sale 1 and pre-sale 2 is what I've mentioned already, 25% TGE, 3 months cliff, and then linear unlock for 6 months. And you can see the price here at the sale detail 0.035, where the listing price will be 0.04. So the price will be around 20%, 15% cheaper than the pre-sale. So that's pre-sale 2, pre-sale 1, and then the listing price, and decent unlock basically. So going back to the latest tokenomic that we see here, as I said, 150K is going to be raised here as well on the platform for Sport. Back to the tokenomics here. So yeah, pre-sale 25% TG, 3 months clip, 6 months linear vesting, total of 9 months vesting basically. Now, team is 15% and no unlock on TG. Marketing is going to be 10% on TG, unlock with 10% of total. Community incentives will be 4% of the total supply with 60 months total. Advisors, 0% TG, 3 months cliff, and then 24 months. Liquidity will be 7% of total. Trade and end will be over 60 months. So as I said, FTV is 10 million at the public price, and initial market cap is going to be 275K. And out of what they're raising for public round, they're gonna have 150K on Spores network, and they're also gonna have a sale on Finceptor, and they're gonna list on Gate, BitGet, BingX, and Mexi. I'll just check Finceptor if they already got this one as well. They have not yet got it, I think. Let's just see. Nah, they haven't got it. I've got Fuel Network, yes, and they've got Fuel Network, they've got MetaHorse and Stable. Okay, so they haven't put it yet, but RaysX is gonna be later this month. But yeah, Spores already got it. So that's in terms of the tokenomics, and public round obviously has an advantage of the pricing because 25% TG. Now, moving away from the tokenomics, let's talk about the team and the platform itself. So, in terms of backers and partners and the team, that's in their website. So, in terms of backers, they've got Zamio Ventures, Vortex, Godbit Foundation, and they are in many platforms for the news agents, and also they've got experienced founder of Zamio Token, who made this project as well as a CEO and co-founder. And they've got a smart contract blockchain engineer from multiple projects already, who's now coming to work with RaysX. They got the advisor of AI and machine learning architect, and have multiple engineers and technical partners as well. These are the backers and partners which I've already mentioned. In terms of roadmap, in Q1 2023, the core team formed R&D and AI experimentation. AI was very big last year, as you know. In Q2, they did the tokenomics development, UI, UX, and product MVP was built. White paper was developed Q3, and seed round started. Q4, they did the cross-chain EVM data and base of the token launch on Ethereum and BSC. Q1 this year, 2024, in Q1, they're gonna do the IDO and listing, NFT launch, trade and earn, then the terminal version 1 and protocol version 1 is launching. The DAO governance and grants program and premium model will be on Q2. So that's the summary. In terms of their socials, they have 22,000 subscribers on their Telegram. They've got a big campaign on $50,000 worth of campaign with RaysX bot. And then they have an active social media on Twitter with 18,000 followers. And you can see that the engagement is decent, pretty decent, with a lot of giveaways and multiple different partners that they've got. In terms of the IDO and listing, the IDO will be on, first of all, on Spores. Sales starting in 6 days. So registration will have to start. You need to stake Spores token, whitelist yourself KYC, and register your interest basically here by connecting before February 18. And then February 18, VIP round starts, and then first come, first serve and triple quota starts in February 19. And then Feb 20 will be the listing for the project. End time of the project. In terms of listing, they're going to be listed late Feb or early March on multiple exchanges, as I've mentioned, like Gate. I think they said Gate, BGET, MinGex, and Mexi, that sort of place. Now, I think at the moment we are in almost a bull market. Well, confirmation is when the Bitcoin beats the previous all-time high, but we are reaching halving, and we are in a good spot, and IDOs are doing well. And Spores IDOs also have done better than the previous ones, better than last year, definitely as part of the improvements in the IDO ecosystem. RaysX is a decent project with active users, and you can do a testnet of the product here if you connect your wallet and test it on stage.raysx as a beta, if you're interested. And it's an area that people are interested to use and learn about the new tokens and projects, so it has some future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, there's no financial advice provided in this channel, but I give you information about projects I discover before they launch. If you have any question about the projects, let me know and I'll get back to the team. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you and see you next time. Goodbye.